Hi, have you ever thought about experiencing unmatched wireless connectivity combined with expert services? Then, let me introduce you to the UniFi Nerds and the remarkable UniFi Wireless system. The UniFi Wireless system, designed by Ubiquiti Networks, is the gold standard when it comes to dependable and robust wireless solutions. From homes to large-scale enterprises, it's a go-to choice for those who want seamless internet connectivity. But why choose the UniFi Nerds? With over a decade of experience, the UniFi Nerds are not just technicians, they're artisans in the world of wireless. They perfected the art of designing, installing, and managing UniFi wireless networks. Whether you're setting up a cozy cafe or planning to digitize an entire stadium, the Nerds have got your back. They handled installations across various industries, ensuring each one meets unique requirements and challenges. What makes the UniFi wireless system stand out? Imagine lightning-fast speeds, incredible coverage, and a network that grows with your needs. Plus, with the UniFi Nerds, you're not just getting a wireless system, but a partnership. They're committed to ensuring your network runs smoothly, always. And the best part, every UniFi installation by the Nerds is tailored. Customized settings, optimal placements, and strategic configurations, all aiming to deliver unparalleled performance. So, if you're looking for the best in wireless combined with top-tier expertise, look no further. Reach out to the UniFi Nerds today and elevate your wireless experience. Because when it's about wireless, it's always better with the Nerds.